house is the same vibe you have at your workplace, in your house, on your businesses. But before we say so long but not goodbye, time flies when you're waiting there because it's so much to consume. Now, we dey talk about parenting those days and these days. So these days, because of this thing where you talk, one of my friends have done, we don't talk am. So what I do is this. If I tell them this morning, no be every day I dey carry them go school with car. So some mornings I'll just say, yeah, let's walk. So when they are walking,
teaching them how to do it
I will
themselves.
tell them to be going. I am like
behind.
some steps behind. I'm watching them.
Yes.
Wow. The way they will cross road, the way they will do this, the way they react to people coming, the way they come out for road so that they don't go thief them something. When they get to school, when they enter school, I will turn back. That is a subtle way of being protective while showing them that the world. See, mothers teach children that the world is love. Yeah. The world is beautiful. Fathers teach children that it is a jungle out there. Yeah. They are evil. I tell my children all the time, no be everybody will smile at you like you.
Sure.
People are wicked, and at the end of the day, I believe to a large extent, I want to impact them with the kind of sharpness where me I take quickly grow from the streets.
Come on.
It's not easy.
Thank God say you get that kind of sharpness. Imagine people where they work 8 to 5.
You understand?
Where they go use motor drop their children. Which time they want to follow them trek?
So there's a way.
It's family. You have to create it.
Even at that, whether they working the pipe to 9 kind of
you should
job,
always find time.
you must find. See, they say now where somebody well today. Now they in hankali and in mind the day. You don't understand? Now where you're well today, your mind the day. If they are important to you, well, you will create a time
make I even shut out this table. Even you and that your parents will say they go ride the jump. If it happen,
they go
God no go together. God go protect you and your family. But if one negative thing won't happen, you feel we shock. So the good thing we say good important for you to teach your children the values that they're supposed to learn as children, as they grow up as adults, aspiring adults. Show them how to
survival tactics.
Exactly. Show them how to do it themselves. If you check it, statistics don't show the sharpest children grow up to become the sharpest adult. And children say they start to learn life on time. From young.
So you like it or not, I grew up in trenches.
Okay.
Yep.
When I they grow up, the kind of way my eyes see,
wait
be here.
Wait till you want talk.
Now at the end of the day, I saw it as a turning. I don't see it as they don't like me.
Okay.
I go day house. Driver go day house. My papa go wake you to go and wash the car. 7 in the morning. Not be because they punish me, but they prepare me. You go to sleep for 2 a.m. Generator will get problem.
They prepare you to be car wash person.
No.
We are parenting you people now that your daddy did it does not mean it is right.
If
there's somebody that is washing car in the compound, let him wash it. My pikin not go wash motor.
You see what they say? You see what they say? Now people like you.
So
that's the problem. That is the problem. What am I saying?
Excuse me.
Everybody, see, everybody. Okay,
like cooking,
it's simple.
Wow. Can do it.
Okay.
Washing the car.
My sister, whether you like it or not. Not be the fact to say that they teach you how to be a car wash person, but they are teaching you that life is not easy.
It's simple.
Yeah,
it's simple. See,
it can be. Not for a female child, for a male child. Yes.
The difference between an adult to be liability and an adult to be asset, not training.
Now from now,
not training. You see, I they come. But is it my pikin? Is it my pikin?
They say by God's grace.
My pikin by God's grace go know how to wash motor.
Of course.
Go know how to cook.
Yeah.
Go know how to do these basic things. We don't get people who say they come up for this country. They leave their parents, enter abroad. They cry. They see. Every day they beg their master, I want to come back.
Oh,
you know why? When they reach there, the reality sets in. No, big man picking no.
Now,
big man picking no.
Now, make una know first.
When they give ad labor, when they grow, now don't come back. Now they make life hard for us young ones. Now trauma response. If they suffer you for small picking, not suffer us here.
It's going to be suffer matter. Now to teach your child how to navigate them their ways.
Basic life skills. Teach them the way to go.
What is the basic life skills?
Wash motor na life skills.
What is basic life skills? I account for basic life skills. Allow me now. I account for basic life skills.
Cooking is a life skill.
Oh, so cooking okay.
But you know they employ people to do cooking now.
Number two. Number two is okay. Number two, move. You don't say number one.
They ask you why they celebrate women with the mechanic.
Because it is not for supposedly.
Exactly. So as washing a car.
No.
I said measure four basic tools a child is to learn. You don't measure one.
Now you go round up 2.
Number 1, cooking.
One.
Number 2, your environment.
Clean up.
Clean up.
Number 3.
Number 3, take care of your personal hygiene. To bath.
Yeah, number 4.
Then number 4, and
you see all this thing where you come. Now for women, now for girls. You will not train a girl the way you train a boy.
No train matter, wash motor. I want to see your children. The 2 of you now.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is why we have to say so long but not goodbye till tomorrow. Don't forget, we do this every Monday to Friday from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. We inform, educate, and entertain. Till tomorrow when we come your way again with this kind of vibe, energy on a beautiful day. My brother and sister, the sky is the limit for you. So long but not farewell. The thing we always live with is that God bless you, God bless me, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. This song, I'm dedicating it to Awolo.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.